guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday. It's about 3 in the afternoon. Just got my cold brew. So good. Got my candle burning. This thing smells amazing. I got this from Home Goods. I think I showed it in my last vlog, but it is just Mediterranean and it's by Sand and Fog. Oh, it smells incredible. I've been burning it for like the past hour and I love it. So I'm just having my coffee right now. I've been straightening up my apartment. I really went hard. I deep cleaned the entire apartment today. I have the day off, which is incredible. Also have tomorrow off, which that never happens. I never get 2 days off in a row, so I'm very excited about that. Me and Emily, we're gonna go to the mall tomorrow, I think, and we're gonna go to Restoration Hardware, which I just love going in there. I get the best inspiration every time I go in there. So yeah, I just wanted to vlog just maybe like a little week in my life or something. I think that's what I'm gonna do for this video. Tonight I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for a package to get in, so I'm about to go check the mailbox and see if it got delivered. I'm very excited. It's from Princess Polly. I had returned a shirt because it was like way too small. Like, I don't even understand. It was so small, and it's usually the size I get with everything, and I couldn't even get it over my head, so I exchanged it for a different size. So I'm really hoping that this one fits because I love this shirt so much, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna be, I don't know, I really don't want to have to exchange it again for another size. So hopefully I got the right size this time. I'm just gonna go finish drinking my coffee, do a little bit of work online. I'm currently in the middle of uploading a vlog, so I don't know if it should be up by the time this video is up. I think it'll go up maybe tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I will catch you guys in just a bit. Okay, so my Princess Polly package just came in. It's this shirt. I ordered it a few weeks ago and ordered it in the size I usually get everything in, which is a 0. And it was so small, I couldn't even get it over my head. So I ordered it in a size up and now it fits perfectly. So that came in. I'm so excited to wear this. It's so cute. All right, guys, so I decided I'm gonna make a soup for dinner. So I've got my carrot, my broccoli, some kale, just cooking a little bit of basmati rice. I have some chicken in the oven. And yeah, I'm just gonna saute some of the carrot and onion down real quick and then just add like some other stuff. I don't know why I'm craving soup, but I am, and it's 90 degrees outside, so that's that. So I'm just gonna get to cooking real quick and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So we're having some ice cream. We're having some of the gooey butter cake. This is my favorite one from Jenny's, like ever. Bo, how is it?
Oh, yeah.
It's really good? So good. He's watching baseball, but so good. I'm gonna get back to watching Home Improvement. I just got in the car. It's so hot in here. I need to turn the AC up ASAP. I'm about to open my sunroof too. I'm just about to go to the mall with Emily. Sephora's having a sale, so have to go get a few things, and then yeah, we're just gonna hang out. We might watch Aquamarine today, and we're going to this vegan ice cream place that I've been dying to try, so I'm so pumped about that. But yeah, I just need to get to driving to get to the mall. I'm running like 2 minutes late, so I'll see you guys when we get there. We're in the new Ulta and it's absolutely huge, but we went to Sephora, so I'll have to show you guys what we got later. I'm so excited about the things I got.
Me too.
Yes. And we're gonna go get Starbs. Oh my god. We're gonna go get Starbs in a bit. Guys, we got our Starbs. I got a peach green tea lemonade, and Emily, all out and bougie over here. You wanna tell them what you got?
Yeah, so I asked him for an iced caramel macchiato with coconut milk and an extra shot. I said an extra shot, not an extra pump of caramel. There's lots of caramel in here. And anything that makes it sweet, because I don't actually like the taste of coffee.
Literally, you got the most sugariest thing on the menu.
I feel like I'm 12 again.
She's so bougie, guys.
Okay.
Woo! Guys, it's National Fajita Day, and we got margs, we got some chips and salsa. About to get some fajitas, so pumped. Okay guys, so we got fajitas. We're splitting the chicken and the steak ones, but I don't eat beef, so I'm just eating the chicken. But this looks absolutely amazing. Emily looks bomb, as always, you know. So, we're about to eat. Happy National Fajita Day. So, I just got back home from Emily's. I wanted to show you guys my Sephora haul real quick. In the middle of my haul, guys, but Destiny called. So I had to answer. Say hey.
How to get tea? Hey.
Okay. Okay, so I just picked up a few things from Sephora. I got another Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is in the shade Taupe. This is my favorite one. I love that. They were having a sale today, so if you like spend so much, you can get like I think $20 off. And then I also just got some more of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I use this so much, and I don't know, I needed a new one. I was running low, and I'm so excited about this. So I've been wanting this for the longest time. It's the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, and they're always sold out of it every time I like go to Sephora, so they had it today. So I picked this up. I'm so pumped to try it. I will let you guys know how I like this, but I'm so pumped about it. So now I'm just in the bed. I have Siesta Key recorded, so about to watch that. I love Siesta Key. It's one of my favorite shows. Also, I have the lip balm on from Summer Fridays. Obsessed. Already obsessed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and watch some Siesta Key real quick. I just posted an Insta pic. It's this one right here from the beach, but if you don't follow me already, you should go do so. My username is just Brooke_page. I'll leave it in the description in case you guys wanna follow me on the gram. Hello everyone. So it's now a few days later. I'm just about to do a little online stuff. I have some stuff I need to order off of Amazon. Also, the Nordstrom anniversary sale is happening right now. I just ordered some bomb stuff. So I'm so excited for it to come in and to show you guys. It should be here within the next few days. So I will do a little haul on that once it comes in. But I'm just gonna go on Amazon, get some stuff ordered, drinking my Stumptown cold brew with oat milk. Best stuff ever. I talked about it earlier in this video. But so this is my little setup. Got my computer, got my cold brew. Also, my flowers are still looking so pretty. I'm very impressed. I've had them for over a week now, and they're still looking beautiful as ever. I'm obsessed with flowers. Flowers literally make me so happy. So I'm such guys right here. I'm just gonna order a few things off Amazon real quick. And I do need to go to Target this week. I'm running out of a lot of things. I need to get shampoo and conditioner and little dishwashing pod thingies and some laundry detergent and just, you know, adult things. So I do need to get to Target this week. I don't know if I'll have time today to go, but I need to go before the weekend. I started a load of laundry, so I'm waiting for that to get done so I can go put it away. Also, I washed my sheets. There's nothing better than warm, fresh sheets out of the dryer, I swear. I really want to get some herbs, so me and Emily might go in a few days and go buy like mint. She has the cutest basil plant. It's amazing. So I really want to get a little basil plant and some mint, so I can make like lemon mint water or like lemon lime mint water and stuff. So I think that'd be really fun and just like something fun and super healthy. So it's a little bit later in the day now. I'm just eating some fruit. I have some strawberries, grapes, and cherries. They're so good. I'm just catching up on some YouTube right now. I'm watching Emma Rose. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, so I'm just watching that. I got all the laundry done. So proud. I worked out, and I'm gonna make dinner soon. I think I'm gonna make taco salad tonight. It sounds pretty bomb. And I need to go and shower. So these grapes are incredible. Whole Foods are really out there doing it. So I just made dinner. I made taco salad for me and Bo made guac. Good job.
Preach.
This looks bomb. I can't wait to eat this. Hi everyone, so it's now Saturday. I just got home from work. Just went and picked up some of my packages. So, about to open that right now. It's from the Nordstrom sale. Oh my gosh, this is so risky. Okay, I cannot do that. Okay. I'm just about to open some packages from the Nordstrom sale. Let's see if I can get this open. Let's see. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So the first thing, I got these earrings from Adidas Jewels. And they're so cute. Oh my god, I literally cannot get it out of this. What is happening? Like, how gorgeous. These are so cute. I cannot wait to wear these. And then I also got a pair of Vans. Oh, these are so cool. They're just like the platform ones, and they're in the coolest like beige kind of color. And I've never seen this color in Vans, so I was like, I've got to have this. So I'm so excited about these. And I have an outfit in mind for them, so let's go. I have an outfit in mind for these, so I'm super freaking pumped. Shot of M. Oh, great shot. Guys, we got margs. We're always getting margs, always. Literally everywhere we go, it's a margarita. Hello everyone. So it is now Sunday. Me and Emily, we were so tired last night, and I feel like I've been hit by a bus this morning, but it's okay. Going to work. I'm just about to head to work. There's a dragonfly. It keeps flying on my car. Kind of losing my voice a little bit, I think, from just being obnoxious last night. But got my iced coffee. About to turn on some tunes. I need to hit up Whole Foods sometime today, and thinking what else I need to do. I need to shoot some photos, and I don't know, I think that's about it. Me and Bo might go out today, I don't know. But I cannot get over my voice right now. Like, it is going away. What is happening? All right, well, I have to get to work, so I will see you guys in a bit. So I was editing this video and realized I forgot to end it off. I ended up just coming home. We went to Whole Foods. That was about it. Nothing very exciting. But I wanted to end the vlog off real quick for you guys. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.